Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Subaru Outback manual. First, familiarize yourself with the 3 pedals: clutch on the left, brake in the middle, and accelerator on the right. Locate the gear shifter and ensure the parking brake is engaged. Adjust your seat and mirrors for a clear view of your surroundings. This initial setup is crucial for a safe and comfortable driving experience. To start, press the clutch pedal completely to the floor with your left foot. With the clutch engaged, shift the gear lever into first gear. Now, slowly and smoothly begin to release the clutch pedal while simultaneously applying gentle pressure to the accelerator with your right foot. This coordination is key to a smooth takeoff without stalling the engine. When it's time to shift up, accelerate slightly, then press the clutch fully, shift to the next higher gear, and smoothly release the clutch while applying gas. For downshifting, you'll want to match the engine's revolutions per minute by giving a quick blip of the throttle before releasing the clutch. This technique ensures a seamless and controlled gear change. To stop, gradually apply the brake pedal. As your speed decreases, press the clutch pedal fully before the engine stalls, typically around 10 miles per hour. Once stopped, shift into neutral or first gear and engage the parking brake. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Practicing these steps will build your confidence and make driving your manual Outback enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.